Hello everyone and welcome back to TonOrbital. I'm Tonio and today we'll explore the exciting world of liquid staking with Hipo, an open source liquid staking protocol on the TON blockchain. Let's jump right in. Let's begin with staking. Staking is a process in proof-of-stake blockchains where you lock your cryptocurrency to support the network. By staking, you help validate transactions and secure the blockchain, earning rewards like additional tokens or transaction fees. However, your funds are locked during staking, limiting their use, and there's often a waiting period to withdraw them. Staking ensures network security while offering rewards, but it comes at the cost of reduced liquidity. Liquid staking overcomes the limitation of locked funds in traditional staking. When you stake your cryptocurrency using a liquid staking platform like Hipo.Finance, you receive a liquid token, hTON, that represents your staked assets. These tokens allow you to stay flexible while your original staked tokens continue to earn rewards. Meanwhile, the hTON tokens you receive can be freely used in DeFi activities, such as trading, lending, or farming, enabling you to earn additional rewards while still receiving staking returns from your locked TON. Hippo handles the complex staking and validator selection process, letting you focus on maximizing your returns. Now it's time to start staking together. First, head over to Hipo.Finance, click Go to App, and then select Connect Wallet. Select your wallet and confirm the sync directly from there. Next, enter the amount of TON you want to stake and approve the transaction. This will initiate the staking process. After staking, you'll receive hTON tokens in your wallet. These represent your staked Toncoin and can be used across DeFi while earning rewards. Here we have the APY, or annual percentage yield, which shows the percentage of profit your collateral will generate in a year. Staking rewards in Hippo are calculated based on the total rewards generated by validators and the proportion of your stake in the network. These rewards are distributed continuously in real time and automatically added to your Hippo staked TON balance. When you unstake, you'll claim your rewards. For example, if you originally staked at a rate of 1 hTON per TON, you might now receive 1.2 TON for every hTON you return. Now, let's unstake. All you have to do is go to the unstake section and return your hTON. Here you have two options. You can swap your tokens instantly or wait for them to unstake after a certain period, which incurs lower fees. For this example, we'll choose the instant swap, and after that, we just need to confirm the transaction in our wallet. Swapping does not include your rewards, so keep in mind that swapping and unstaking are not the same. And there you have it. Hipo.Finance is a great way to support the TON blockchain while staying liquid and earning rewards. I hope this tutorial helps you get started. If you have any questions or want to see more content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe to TonOrbital, and drop a comment below. See you next time.